Hello, in this video I will show you how to do Uber Eats background check. Now it's a very easy process. So all you have to do is open a browser and just simply search for Uber Eats background check. Then just simply open the first link right over here. After that, just simply go to the delivery driver section. Then just simply log in with your Uber driver's account. After that, all you have to do is enter your password. Now after you sign in, click on continue right over here. And after that, you will be in the background check section. So over here, what you have to do is you have to first enter your driving license at the very first column, then enter your license number, date of birth, and then click on submit. After that, you have to enter your profile photo. So it should be a photo just like this. You can see the requirements right above over here. So complete that process. So in order to do most of them, you actually need your cell phone to use that. Then after that, just simply enter your national IDs, whatever that may be. After that, just simply enter your vehicle insurance and permit. And in the end, just simply click on next. That you will find right over here after you complete that process. And then your account will go on the verification for a few days or even few hours. So once the verification is complete, you're all good to go. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.